Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am super excited to be filming my August 2018 Boxycharm unboxing. Now it is only the 9th. I think this is probably the earliest that I've ever received my box. So I know last month I did a first impressions using the product, but because I got it so early this month, I just wanted to go ahead and be able to get it up for you guys. And I'm pretty excited, if you can't tell. So let's go ahead and bust into this. Now I just got home on my lunch break, and I checked the mail and I saw this in there, so I was like, let me pop on here and unbox this. Now I did go ahead and remove my lipstick that I was wearing today because I know that there is going to be a lip product in this box. So just like with every month, you get a little card that has the theme for the month, and this is Life of the Party. And then it's got the products that are in the box. So I'm going to grab the first thing that's right on top. This was one of the variation products. This is the House of Lashes. What kind are these? These are the Bambi lashes. Now you guys know I don't really apply false lashes, so I may give these a go. I may put them in a giveaway or give them to someone that I know would like and use them. But I know House of Lashes are supposed to be very good. These retail anywhere between $9 and $12, so it's somewhere in that vicinity. And like I said, this was one of the variation type products. So I think the other thing you could have received was a like a Becca primer or a Tarte lifted mascara, which I have tried, and that mascara is so good. I would have much preferred that over these lashes. But let's see what else is in the box. Now, in the box last month, we got a Wander Beauty mascara that you guys know I have raved about. So, in this month's box, we got some eye mask, Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. I think that's a cute name. But anyway, we got 3 pairs of those. These are the type of masks that are like if you have puffy eyes, if you are starting to feel sick, or like you're having allergies or something, these are fantastic for days like that. I have some of these just like on hand for anytime I feel like I'm getting a cold or something like that. That's really when I pull those out because it really does make me feel better. Okay, the next thing I see in the box is a Ades Organic Infused Age-Defying Nail Treatment, Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. Now, I thought they were going to give us the NYC, I think it is, nail cuticle oil, which I already had, and I planned on putting in a giveaway because I've seen other people unbox their boxes already. However, I do not have this Ades one, so I probably will keep that and give it a try, because I do love cuticle oils. Alright, then I got this Bang Beauty, which I had never heard of this brand, but this is a chocolate eyeliner, and I don't have, this is a gel liner. I really like the packaging. It's very weighted. It's a glass packaging. I don't have any brown gel liners, and this almost looks like it could double as like a brow type pomade. So I might try that. You guys will have to let me know if you want to see any tutorials or anything with this box. I would be happy to do it. Just because I got it so early, I wanted to go ahead and get it up. Alright, now I am super excited about this because I do not have anything from this brand, and everyone was getting this palette. This is from the Laura Lee Los Angeles Beauty, and this is her brand new palette, It is the Party Animal palette. So she came out with 2 palettes. This is what these shades in here look like. Now, is it loud? Yes. Yes, it is. However, in most subscription boxes, you're continuously getting like neutral type eye palettes. So I think it's actually pretty fun that they threw this in. And I mean, a lot of these colors you can actually pull off wearing. Now, this like neon looking greenish yellow here, I'm not sure about that one, but these two you could easily wear. Purples you can easily wear, as well as blues. And any color really is great for doing like a liner with. Like if you have a really neutral type eye and you just want to do a pop of color, you could do a liner on the top and the bottom lashes, and that ultimately, you know, very quickly amps it up. So I could see using this for that. Now I love this bottoms up color here. Can you see the sparkle in there? Love that shade. But yeah, that's a close-up, guys, of what the palette looks like. I'll just give you guys some swatches really quick. Oh, that one is so pretty. Woo! She's pigmented. Okay. So, karaoke. Bottoms up. That's that pink. And see, it doesn't even look that bright. And then hung over. Sorry, those swatches are crazy, guys. But those are pretty nice. I would be interested in using that. I probably will do a tutorial with this palette. I might do like use as many colors from that as possible. I think that would be fun because they're all so bright. But anyway, this retails for $19. And then the last thing, and something that I knew I would be getting, is a lip product. This is from Smashbox. It is a Be Legendary lip color. And this retails anywhere from $21 to $24. Now this shade, I don't know about this shade. Where does it say? Oh, Straight Up is what it's called. Now, I am familiar with the Be Legendary lipstick formula, and it is a fantastic formula if you have not tried it. Okay, so this is just a brown type of a shade, and I do love shades like this. However, I'm pretty purple today, so ooh. Okay. So, I do not like this lip with what I'm wearing today, but I did want to just pop it on for you guys. It does not go at all with the cool tones that I am wearing, like I said, but I can see myself getting use out of this, especially like in the fall. I think it's a great fall color. Alright, so let's see how much this box is worth. Alright guys, so I have figured up the total value of the box, and this month is a little bit lower than it usually is, but regardless, it's still a great value. The total of my box was $102. So just to do a recap, the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette retails for $19. My House of lashes that I received in the Bambi style retail for $9. My Smashbox Be Legendary cream lipstick retails for $21. The Baggage Claim eye mask 3-pack from Wander Beauty retails for $13. The Bang Beauty brown gel eyeliner retails for $22. And the Ades Age Defying Nail Treatment Cuticle Oil retails for $18. So In all, this is not my favorite box, to be honest with you. I actually really like the eye mask. I I love these these types of eye masks, guys. They really help depuffing, and they just make you feel nice and cool and rested under your eyes. So I definitely will get use out of these, and these are a higher end type of mask. So I think that that's really cool to try. So I really like that, and I love that we got this brand new palette from Laura Lee Los Angeles. I think that that is awesome. That's 19. So, I mean, just in these two products, I've got my money worth out of it. And then I will use, I mean, this shade of lipstick I do like. It's a little bit more brown than I normally would wear, but seeing it on camera, I mean, it doesn't look that bad, just it looks awful with this look that I have on currently. But I will get some use out of that in the fall. And then this gel eyeliner, I definitely will try out. I don't wear eyeliner that often, but if I can get this to work as like a brow product, I probably would get more use out of it. So that'll be interesting to try out. And then the cuticle oil, I mean, that's not something exciting to get, you know what I mean? So, I mean, I don't know. What did you guys get in your box if you have one? I know that they're starting to do more and more variations with the boxes where everyone's not getting the same thing. So, let me know what you guys got. If you want to see any tutorials with any of the products that I got, please let me know. I would be happy to film that. And until next time, bye guys.